Now, even though I was not able to get these out as fast and early as I wanted to for you guys, it's very simple and very clean. Let's check it out together, guys. Feels so good. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Nefred. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I really do hope you're having a very blessed day. Now, in today's video, as you can tell from the thumbnail, and as you can tell from the title, and as you can tell from the box we got right in front of us, I am bringing you guys another sneaker review, and the sneaker that we are going to be taking a look at is the Nike Dunk High in the black and white colorway, aka Panda. I'm not gonna lie, I prefer that name, Panda, over the black and white. I just think that the colors on these look more towards, you know, how a Panda would look, and I just really am excited for these because, man, this year we've been going crazy on dunks, and I'm just really happy that I'm gonna actually get this review out for you guys. So I really do appreciate you guys, honestly, for pulling up to the channel. So before we go straight into the review, there's a couple things that I actually want to go ahead and talk about. One, I've been looking for, I don't know if you guys remember, for a while, I've been looking for like some animation type of, like, you know, some art piece, because I'm really heavy into like clothing and apparel, and I really do like, you know, animation, like anime, all that type of cartoons. So I really love it, and I've been looking for someone who can do like art for me, and I actually found someone who can do it for me, and I just want to really give him a big shout out. My boy Miguel, appreciate you guys. If you're watching this, I really do appreciate you. You did amazing on this. I mean, just look at this art piece right here, and it's the craziest thing because you said that, you know, it was only, you said you weren't perfect on it, bro. This is really amazing. So if you're watching this, Miguel, dude, please keep up with your art, and please keep going. I really appreciate you. Second thing I wanted to mention as well, I just want to let you guys know I really do appreciate you guys so much from the bottom of my heart for all the love and support that you've been showing. The last couple of videos, you guys went insane on, like, literally that Spartan, which one, the Spartan green, the team green dunks I did, you guys went stupid on that one, and I just want you to know that I really seriously appreciate you. So if this is your first time coming to the channel, please hit that like button, please subscribe, because I would really like for you guys to stay so you can see a lot more videos that I have to offer for you guys. So with all that said, thank you so much. All right, so now we are actually going to dive in and take a beautiful look at these shoes. If you don't know, I always try to be color coordinated with the product that I'm reviewing, and I always try to do it with headbands. So I'm gonna get this headband on for you guys, and let's get straight into it. Let's go. All right, I am back. I do have my headband on. Like I said, the colorway is black and white, so you know I had to go with that black and white Nike headband, and let's get straight into it. I know I've been talking for a minute. We do have our beautiful knife. Remember how in my last video I was talking about I wanted, you know, a special type of knife? Well, we have a nice orange one. So we're gonna go actually dive into these, and oh man, pretty excited, pretty excited. I'm actually upset too at the same time, because originally these did come out on May 28th. This was the release date. I was really trying to get these early for you guys, but I think there was a lot of shipping delays and a lot of shipping issues, and I was not able to go ahead and get them. So I did get these yesterday, and you know, I ordered them on the 16th of May, and they did not get here on the 20th. So I was like, dang it. But nonetheless though, we are gonna take a beautiful dive into these right now. Let's go ahead and get the tissue off. For those of you that don't know, I actually got these from Goat, so I will leave a link in the description where you can check them out, and let's look into it. Okay, so these are the box that these Nike Dunk Highs do come in. As you can see, just a regular Nike box, you know, red all around. Then you do have the Nike logo right here on the top. I'm gonna read you guys the size tag really quick. So the size tag does read Nike Dunk High Retro, white, black, university red. I did get a size 11, which is my size, and then in women's this is a 12.5. Let's go ahead and actually pan these for you. And I know it doesn't say on the box, but I believe, if I'm not mistaken, I believe these are exactly 110. So I will go ahead and leave a link in the description as to where you can go ahead and get these at. And without further ado, let's take a look at it. So let's open the box right here, and I'm gonna give you guys like a really better perspective so you can see it. And let's peel these pandas back. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I like these. I'm gonna peel back the other one so you guys can see too. Oh man, I ripped the paper. I always be doing that. And here we go right there. Okay, let's go ahead and actually put the box back there. This is here's a GOAT verification sticker that I did get, and then here is the verification as well. Just gonna go ahead and put these back in the box, and then we can go straight into the review. All right, so here we go right here. These are the Nike Dunk High black and white, AKA Panda. I'm just calling these the Pandas because they just look exactly like that. Very simple and clean. As you know, I've had a lot of Dunk Highs that we've had this year with the Syracuse. We've had, what's it called? Actually, no, the Syracuse is the only Dunk High other than these now that I do have in my collection. And here they go right there though. Just simple and clean. I mean, nothing really too grand. As you know, there was the low version that did come out for these this year. I'll put this over here, you can definitely check out. And I wasn't able to get these, so if you weren't able to grab the low version of these, I definitely would get, this is the next best thing. And honestly, they're not going too high. I think these are actually going a little bit under what the lows are going for. I know everyone's a big fan of lows, so they're probably, they gravitate more towards that. But looking at these though, I like them. I dig them. So let's go ahead and check out the left. Let's check it out together. So we do have the black outsole that you greeted with. As you go up to the midsole, you do have that white marshmallow in the midsole. Then there's that white box right there. Then you do have your black swoosh. Looking back at the heel, you do have that black beautiful Panda heel right there. Going up, you do have the white that goes all over for the heel as well. Then you do have your black pull tab. Let's take a look at the front. You do have your white plush toe box, very nice right there. Then you do greet it with your black laces that does run up all the way to the shoe. And then you do have your Nike tag right here, and it is in that red logo right there. And I'm not gonna lie, looking at this, it's pink. Check it out. I hope the camera can get it out. It's pink. So these are clean. I like these a lot. I'm not gonna cap. I think that this is just a very simple shoe you can wear. This colorway, black and white, is just a color that really you can wear with anything. And I mean, I know a lot of people are probably gonna gravitate towards this. I see a lot of females rocking these, honestly, more than the men. I feel the men will wear more of the lows, and the females wear more of the highs. But I mean, nonetheless, there they go right there. These are the Nike Dunk High in the Panda colorway. Release date was May 28th, and like I said, I was very upset I wasn't able to go ahead and get that early lookout for you guys, but nonetheless, I still brought it for you guys, so I hope you do like it. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a little bit of a side-by-side comparison, or not comparison, but you can see it right there. And there they go right there. These are the Pandas. Comment down below, let me know what you think of this sneaker. Is it a shoe that you want? Is it a shoe that you there's more things coming out, and trust me, there's a lot of things coming out this year. There is tons, especially for the month that we just entered for June. There is a lot of stuff coming out. So if these are not on your priority, hey, I understand. There's a lot more stuff coming out, so definitely go ahead and see, what you like. Comment down below, let me know, are these a shoe that you would want? If you don't, then hey, tell me what else we go for. So with that said, this is going to conclude the review of the Nike Dunk High Pandas. Like I said, again, comment down below, let me know what you think. Right now, I will give you guys a really quick overview, kind of a close-up on them, and just check them out right there. There they go. These are the Nike Dunk High Pandas. Gotta admit, like, I'm gonna be real, like I said, this is just gonna be one of those shoes that you can really just wear anywhere. Some of the sneakers that come out, the colorways are just so, they're crazy. You have to find a whole fit with this, but for these Pandas, nah, just a very simple and clean colorway. So guys, this is going to conclude today's video over the Pandas. Hope you really did like them. I'm gonna go ahead and break away to the on-feet review for these right now. Like I said, comment down below, let me know how you feel about these. Really do appreciate all the love and support that you've been showing me for the channel. It just really means a lot. I know I always say that, but it really does. I mean, it allows me to keep pushing when you guys are commenting, whether it's just a fire emoji, whether if it's just like, oh, this is good. Even if it's like negative feedback, dude, like you'd be surprised. That stuff, it helps creators get better. And that's really what you know. I really do appreciate you guys. So with that said, gonna get this on feet for you guys. Remember, this has been your boy Nephrite. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Remember as well, there's only ever gonna be, listen, there's only ever gonna be one you. So please be the best you. All right guys, until next time, I will catch you guys later. Love you. Peace.
Gems with the heat.